Welcome to the ArtCenter Library tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to utilize Luna's media groups for your projects. Once you've logged into Luna, you'll be able to find media groups in the upper left through either Explore or through Create. I'm going to click on the media groups under Explore so we can look at that. Once you select media groups, you will be able to view public media groups or your own media groups. For example, on the right, there's a list of public media groups you can view, or you can search by keyword and or username. On the left, you will see the media groups you have created. Now let's take a look at one of these media groups. After you select the media group you want to view, you have a few things you can do. You can hover over each image to get additional details about that image. You can add them to a workspace by clicking on the square in the upper left of each image. I will show you a little more on the workspace function in our presentation tutorial. You can edit the media group properties for your media group. You can manage your media group images, and you can reorder your images in the order you would like them to be viewed. You can make a duplicate of your media group by selecting Copy. Just make sure to rename it if you do. You can view your media group as a slideshow, so you can use it for your presentations. You can choose to export your media group in the pixel size that you would like. So let's click on that. And it will export them as a zip file, or you can export your media group as a PowerPoint presentation. You can also add external media from Flickr. Unfortunately, you will not have the ability to upload your own images to Luna, but you should be able to load them into the PowerPoint if you exported your group as a PowerPoint presentation onto your desktop. Now let's create a new media group. So we'll go to Create, go to Media Groups. Here you can name your media group. So we're going to name it Van Gogh. You can make it publicly viewable. You can create a password for it if you want to protect it that way. You can also choose the folder you would like to add it to. You can make it an active media group, or you can make it non-active. And you can fill out any descriptions you would like for your media group. Once you've entered all the criteria that you want, then you can click on Save. And this will save your media group. So we can go back to the home page, go to Explore, Media Groups, and you will see here is your new folder for Van Gogh. Next, you would simply add images by searching in the upper right. So we're going to search for Van Gogh. After entering your search term, your search results will appear, and now you can add images to your active media group. To make sure you select the appropriate active media group, go to the tab in the lower left of the page. If that is not the correct media group, simply select it and then choose a correct media group here. So we'll keep it at Van Gogh. Once you have selected the correct media group, you can now add images to that group by selecting the add plus sign on the upper right of each image. So we'll click on this one, this one, this one. And so you'll see your images appear here under the active media group. To quickly view the image in your group, you can select the active media tab in the lower left, like I have it open right now, and you'll see the images you have selected. You can also select Go if you want to manage, order, reorder, copy, or export the images in your media group. I hope that gives you a little introduction to the media group functions of Luna. If you have any questions, contact the liaison librarian for your department, or you can email the library at library@artcenter.edu. Thank you.